you see the stats right there. These guys are mirror images of each other. Matt Francis has a little edge in the touchdown category, but other than that, wow. Great matchup for today's game.
You're talking less than 100 yards separating the two of them. And there you see some of Matt Francis' brilliance of this season. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I've never been so reminded of Danny McManus by a quarterback as Matt Francis, except for the fact we got to give him the nod that he runs a little better than Danny Mac.
Yeah, beginning of the season, Matt Francis really needs to learn to trust that offensive line and take his time. He's really matured as a quarterback this year, and well, it's got them all the way to where they need to be.
Breaking out, get his brain, it scratches my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. For this is gone, new places to go. I've got to leave, it's time for the show. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. My body's burning, it starts to shout. Desire's coming, it breaks out loud. Lost is the cages, and storm breaks loose. Just have to make it, we still wanna choose.
Absolutely. Just tremendous arm strength, tremendous confidence to be able to throw those deep sideline passes.
2nd and 2 for the Canes. Second time, their second series rather, that they're in Braves territory. So all the beef is on the line. Francis wants to throw it. Has a man caught. Hurricanes with a first down and more. Matt Coates in for the touchdown.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab us in the bucket, can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit. Speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Oh, body boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
The mountaintop, walk on water, I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
I know you got to feel it.